Hey guys, what's going on? Of course that thing fires up right now, but we're at my shop and this is my shell we're taking apart.
I'm gonna get a heater copyrighted.
Yeah, and this is my SR I haven't showed you, came out of this car. It's completely stock. I put a baffled oil pan on already, some lightweight pulleys, and then I have a manifold that'll be here today. So maybe I'll get that on in this video. But anyway, I got jack taken off.
Maybe we'll do it this video, but I don't know.
Anyway, I got jack taken off everything on this car because I'm gonna sell it all. So if anyone's looking for anything for a 240, it's gonna be on eBay and the link will be in the description. So anyway, right now I gotta fix this wire because the fucking ground broke when I flipped the motor over to the oil pan. So I'm gonna do that right now, and yeah, hopefully it gets pretty warm in here. Cause it's cold.
You're cold?
Yeah.
Fucking hot. I'm really hot.
You warm? What was it at?
90.
Anyway, I got the turbo pretty clean, and now I'm gonna clean up this oil drain area and put the little, can't even fucking think, the little fucking return, I don't know. Where's it at? Where's it at?
Turbo, manifold, intercooler pipe.
Wait. Shit!
I don't even know what you're on about right now.
Oh, it's over here. The turbo drain deal. Alright guys, so if anyone's looking for some super clean ass door panels, this car's got them.
It's got them.
Jack took the little window thing off, but...
Yeah, really working hard out here.
Hold on. Look at that. These are clean as hell.
They honestly are really nice.
Like insanely clean. So if anyone wants those,
400 OBO.
eBay, 400 for both. And then the dash is probably gonna be like,
Dash is nice.
I don't know, like 550.
What about the glove box?
And then I'm taking all this rear interior for my car. You guys will see that later. I need to replace my glove box, so I'm taking that one.
$60 for the cup holder.
But anyway, yeah, all these parts will be on eBay, and the link will be in the description. Yeah, I'm showing off all my goodies that I got for this car. First off, nice new brake booster, needs to be painted black. I don't know if I'm gonna wrinkle black here again because this never dried. I tried to scrape it off and it's completely fucked. Power steering wise, nice ISR high pressure line. And we got their AN power steering lines. And then I got their baffled power steering reservoir, which is sick. I'm coming over here. Let's see what we got. We got some AN ISR turbo lines. And there's my turbo. And then we got this sick oil return line that I need to cut, rear main, what you're gonna do once motor's in the car. Well, actually, I don't know. I still haven't fully decided, but Jack thinks we should. And this is my valve cover. It's yellow, don't worry. Gonna be powder coating it orange. And I also have the factory red just in case the orange isn't close enough. Oh, fuck! Let me push you in the parking lot.
Alright, we can give it a rip. You look like idiots. Yeah, it kind of flipped kind of far, honestly.
Alright, I'm gonna clean this nasty thing up, and...
Yeah, I literally can't see anything.
I know, my eyes are in pain. Anyway, I'm gonna clean this up, and hopefully, or maybe go get the manifold and throw her on today. This brand new ISR gasket. Hey, quit making noise back there. Alright? Look at that. Alright, after an hour and a half or 2 hours.
It was 15 minutes.
15, alright, whatever. Let's see if we've got it. Nice, look at that, you got the door off. Hey, just a little public service announcement.
I know.
Just a little public service announcement. If you guys have a Slim Chickens near you, you gotta go, because it's the best shit ever.
You gotta get
their chicken.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have it almost every day, so. And I'm gonna start by taking this ECU out right here. And then pull the harness through. Alright, ECU's out. And looks like they snapped the bolt off in the ECU, so I'm gonna get that out real quick. That way I can put a new one on when I put this plug in. But Jack's taking off this trim because I'm using it on my car. I just gotta repaint it. And then I'm gonna pull this harness through and that'll be that. Okay, we're gonna go pick up my manifold right now and then we're gonna come back and probably, not 100% sure, but throw the turbo manifold on with the turbo and everything. Get all the lines hooked up and then this block, or not block, this motor will be pretty much ready to go in besides the rear main, clutch, and the valve cover. Whoa, get your ass over the passenger side.
I don't know what I'm doing, honestly.
Get to the passenger side, pal.
I don't know why I'm going over there.
Oh, look at that.
Hopefully I don't spill coffee on,
Look at that.
on your car.
Oh,
Come on, give her some sends. No, not this way, dude.
which way do you want me to
I
go?
wanted you to like drift like that and then back around, you know what I mean?
Oh.
Like, look at all this shit we can hit. Look at Squeaky Pete, dude. Alright, let's see this flutter.
Alright, listen to this flutter, alright? Oh, hold on.
Yeah, I didn't do anything. There's no way you're gonna be able to hear that.
Hold on, let's crack the window then.
Too much wind noise, dude. Oh, you might be able to hear that. Yeah, you'll be able to hear that for sure. Alright, I'm over it.
Alright, so Jack decided to go ahead and fucking open it. No, I'm kidding, I told him to. But, here, hold the camera, I can't do this.
What, you can't drive and record at the same
No,
time?
but I can drive and look at it. No, I actually can't.
Alright.
It's in the way.
I'll give a little sneak peek here.
Ooh, that looks hella good.
Well, you get the gist of it.
Yeah, we'll open it up when we get to the office.
It's cool looking though.
Back at the office, looks like we got a bank gasket.
It's like
She'll be right, it's not an important spot. I hope. Anyway, let's see what this thing looks like here. Here. Move these bad girls out of the way. Oh, she's stuck. Alright, here we go. Here we go.
Here we go. What'd you look up on? I'm gonna switch over to this side.
How's she look? Damn.
Looks fucking sweet.
Damn.
Yeah, it looks damn good.
That's sick.
Damn good.
Let's get this thing bolted up.
You want to?
Hell yeah.
Alright.
Here we go.
Here we go. Ignore them.
Sneak peek right here.
Yeah. It's gonna, dude, it almost looks kind of orange on the camera.
Oh, wow. Woo. You guys look at that.
Would you look at that?
The inside.
We gotta get some sweet B-roll of that. Oh yeah.
Obviously, it's not gonna be yellow.
Damn, dude.
Okay, you guys saw the manifold, looks absolutely sick. And right now I'm gonna put the turbo on. And Jack's gonna clean the surface up, that way we don't get any leaks or anything.
Let's see you put this disgusting turbo on this brand new manifold.
You're just a JDM hater. This is JDM, dude. This is fucking...
Big V8 guy here.
Yeah, he's a big V8 guy.
I wanna hear.
He hates anything Japanese.
Yeah.
Hates SRs, hates
Yeah.
JZs.
Absolutely can't stand RVs.
Yeah, hates everything. So, you guys can just shit all over him in the comments. He's not a true drifter.
Let it rip, please.
He's one of those American fanboys that got into the sport and is ruining it. He wants to go FD. Come on, man. Come on. Like, we all know FD is not grassroots, alright? It's not grassroots. Oh, now this shit kicks on and ruins the shot? Oh, holy tits. Whole motor, ready to rip today.
Uber, let's drop
It's gonna go in the car today. No, I'm kidding, it's not gonna go in the car
Don't
today.
say that, 'cause we're definitely.
Yeah, no, it's gonna go in a while, but anyway, we're gonna do that, and we'll get some more footage as we get going here. Right now we're tightening the manifold, getting it all torqued down. Jack claims he's got the feel for about 27 to 35 foot-pounds in his head.
What can I say, dude? I have a
So
gift.
we're gonna get him right there, get the torque sequence pulled up. Gonna get that tightened, and then I'll probably start putting some lines on. Okay, manifold is all on. Damn, looks insane. Jack, you get the specs down? Oh shit, I almost tripped.
He's good, dude.
All right, look at that. I got 1A inline on, not tightened yet. Jack's putting on the second one. These look insanely good. All right, guys, we're done with the turbo and the manifold today. All the lines are hooked up. They're not well, are they tight? Are you tight on yours?
Only one fitting's not tight.
They're pretty much all tight. We're gonna go over it, obviously, before I put it in the car. But anyway, it looks hella good. And like I said about that car, if you guys want any parts, there's gonna be parts on eBay. Link in the description. So definitely buy some shit. And that'll be in this video. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let's get big enough that we can do this for a living. So,
fuck yeah, dude.
So that's gonna be it. And ka-chow.
Ka-chow.